Discipline is not force. Discipline is alignment. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to build discipline in life using the law of attraction. Most people think discipline means strict rules and pressure. But in reality, discipline starts in the mind. According to the law of attraction, whatever you focus on, you attract. If you keep saying, I am lazy, or I have no control, your mind accepts it as truth. So the first step is change your self-talk. Every morning say, I am disciplined. I enjoy completing my tasks. I respect my time and energy. Next, visualize your disciplined version. Close your eyes and see yourself waking up on time, completing your work calmly, feeling proud and peaceful. Feel that emotion deeply. Then start small actions. Discipline grows from small habits, not big promises. Even 10 minutes of focused work daily sends a strong signal to the universe. Remember, your thoughts create your habits, and your habits create your life. Stay consistent, trust the process, and discipline will come naturally. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.